Today is gloomy, rainy day, and I feel very philosophical. I also came back from a trip where I spent a lot of time in nature. I went hiking to a chestnut and plane tree forest, and I was admiring how beautiful nature is. And I realized that I was actually looking at trees and beautiful, beautiful leaves decaying and dying. And it made me think about the life cycle of nature and our lives in general, and of seasons. And now we have autumn, where life is slowing down and nature, things in nature are dying, and then winter comes and everything is sleeping, like preparing for spring. And spring is where everything starts growing and glowing and accelerating. And summer comes where everything is it's at its peak and mature, and we harvest the seeds. And then again, autumn comes where everything starts again slowing down and dying. This reminds me of our lives and how we can see our, not the season in the long term, but also in our everyday cycle. We have peaks and times when we need to slow down. This also applies to different areas of our lives, our relationships, our work, our ideas, our creativity. Everything has cycles, and we tend to deny ourselves the, these cycles and these opposites. We tend to try and be always at our peak and only accept the best times, the good, and not feel that there are also times for relaxation, sleep, grieving, all the things that we think are negative in our lives, but it letting go. But these are like autumn and winter that will prepare us for something new, the time that we are going again to accelerate and move forward. And thinking about all this brings me peace and serenity, and yeah, that's my philosophical mood and tip of the day, and something to think about. Going with the flow, accepting the good and the bad, and giving yourself time and letting yourself feel when is the right time to move forward or slow down. See you tomorrow.